Hi, yesterday I studied about these network days. So um, generally we thought that the mind tells you that you were 1 year has 365 days, and once you work in company you work 365 days, right? The thing is that it's not, right? Why is it so? Let's take a look at here, right? So. Oh, there's one more month is not there. All right, just add one more thing here. All right, so just add one more day here. All right, 365 days is that. Let's see. It's not even days. It's just plus one. Oops, add it here. Okay, so that's 365 days. Yeah. So average working day is 30 days, right? So, well, is that true? Well, in a company that embrace work-life balance, right, it isn't, right, because that you need to exclude 3 things. Why? Because you need to exclude weekends, Saturday and Sunday, and then you need to exclude the list of public holidays, right? And then also your paid annual leave. So that's become this, right? So network days. So you have network days. So just come back here, right here. All right, and just adjust this accordingly. Right, so actually in your mind it's 365 days, but actually you work 246 days and 119 days. Yeah. Well, actually, if you add one more, if you include the paid leave, right, which is for 14 days, then you actually work. Sorry, what can I say that? If you include the paid leave, right, so let's see here. So equal this one minus this. So 119 days is not working. Uh, so you focus here, right? Your 119 days not working. Plus one more, right? So okay, so your network day is not this, right? Actually, in your plus 14 days. Okay, so oh sorry, it should be minus 14 days for the first 2 years. So your 133 days is not working. So well, that's it, right? So level is this here, and then your average working days become, well, divided by 12, right? Yeah. So um, so you actually work 20 days. Um, average 20 days instead of 30 days. You only work 20 days, and then your salary, like let's say it's 4,000, right? And then you actually pay 195 per day. If you work 8 hours a day, right? If you really work 8 hours a day, then it's 24 ringgit per hour. Well, actually, you don't work 28 hours a day, right? So you are paid 32 ringgit for that. So every company is the same, right? So right, so that's it. That is called about network days. So why don't I talk about this, right? So let's get here. Okay, let's get here. All right, so just enter, save this work. Well, we can do the same in the here. Just refresh it, see whether it works that way. All right, cool. So you can see that this is Power BI. The total work days, is it 246? Well, yes, because if we didn't add that minus the 14 days, right? It's 246. Yeah, it's 246. You can see that it's 246. So this is number of days that you don't work. Okay, and get paid. Okay, and get paid. And get paid. Okay, so all right. So because of that, all right, that's a holiday, right? Cool. There are more holidays, then you have higher rate is, well, all right. So my point is this, right? That you we can calculate this, load this into Power BI. Now this is actually a revision video. Um, all right. So how do I get this? Well, I would first is I load this into calendar. I also load it into public. I mean this two table into here, and then I load into Power BI. Okay, so once I load into Power BI, it's the same, right? Right here, you see, it's the same. Then the next thing is that I first created a work days. Okay, so how many work days do I have, right? So I use the net work days. So the start date and the end date, first and public holidays list there. All right, so adding this up here, and that is how you get a work days. So now the idea is that how do we get a total, right? How do we get a total? How do we get a total? So to add a total, right, you click the new measure. Now you would think about that. Okay, let's just put a total work days. Okay, so it's the same to here, and I want to sum these, right? On this column here, right, I want to sum this column. Now this column, right, is not, this column is a calculated column. It's a measure, right? So how can I add up all those measures, right, using sum, right? Sum does not allow you to do that. Well, what you can do, right? Well, we can use the sum x, right? The sum x will help you to do just that, right? So calendar, right, you provide the table, and then the expressions, right, within the table itself, right, would be now notice that it's now appear as work day. So that's how you create, how to add that total work day. So I want to know how many work days are there, right? So I want that number to be there. Then I create a cart visual, and then I create a total work day picture here, right here. Excuse me. So yeah, that's how I get it. Well, for the average, you do the same, right? The average cannot do an average on a measure. You can use average. You got it. This average average x. You got to solve it. So is this value correct? Now let's just take a look at here. If we do it in Excel, let's do a comparison, right? So 20.5, is it true? Let's just look at here again one more time. Yes, average 0.5 and 246 is the same. So like that is how I do a revision, right? So that is one thing is that I emphasize a lot, right? Is that it has to be consistent, it has to be, you have to feel again and again and get better at this. And that's all. Thanks for watching.